for being here sa But we also have a special event that we want everyone here to participate in. Okay, guys? Let's go! I just mentioned earlier that we released our new single, Sumayaw Sumunod. Yes. And we want you guys to take TikTok videos of yourself, of us, of the whole event using the official audio that we will be posting later. Okay? And we will choose 10 lucky students here that will win special prizes and also you will repost your videos. So guys, I hope you, in our next performances, you ready your phones and you take videos or, you know, show yourself dancing. The dance is very easy. Can you show it a little bit? So I want to look out for that also. And we also want to address the youth here. I hope you all feel inspired from our performances and just continue doing what you're doing, especially to the student leaders here. And we all are working hard in inspiring others, so everyone understands.